Good morning, Minuteman 6 here from Minuteman Precious Metals. It's June 28th, 2024 at approximately 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is our morning market update. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. I post new market video updates Monday through Friday, so just ring that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Gold is up $8.79 to $2,336.58 at the time of filming during overnight trading Thursday. Silver is also up 37 cents to $29.38. The gold to silver ratio is down to 79.56. Gold and silver prices experienced a resurgence Thursday in overnight trading, driven by growing optimism surrounding Friday's upcoming personal consumption expenditure report. The U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis is set to release this crucial economic indicator, which measures changes in prices for goods and services purchased by American consumers. The PCE index, particularly its core component, serves as the Federal Reserve's preferred gauge of inflation, playing a pivotal role in shaping monetary policy decisions. Market analysts are projecting encouraging figures for May's reports. Expectations suggest that the cost of goods and services rose at an annualized pace of 2.6%, a slight decrease from April's 2.7%. More significantly, the core PCE is anticipated to drop to 2.6% year over year in May, compared to 2.8% in April. If these projections materialize, it would signal a further contraction in inflationary pressures, bringing the economy closer to the Fed's coveted 2% inflation target. Federal Reserve officials, including Chairman Jerome Powell, have consistently emphasized the need for a sustained trend of positive economic data before considering any shift in monetary policy. During the last Federal Open Market Committee meeting, or FEMOC conference, Powell reiterated the stance, stating, "We have stated that we do not expect it will be appropriate to reduce the target range for federal fund rate until we have gained greater confidence that inflation is moving sustainably toward our 2% target." The market's growing confidence in the Fed's potential pivot is reflected in the changing probabilities of rate cuts. The CME FedWatch tool now indicates only a 35.9% likelihood that the Fed will maintain its current benchmark rate between 5.25% and 5.5% through September. This represents a significant shift in sentiment, down from 37.7 just a day prior and 50.2% a month ago. This trend underscores the mounting optimism regarding the timing of the Federal Reserve's transition toward interest rates normalization. In Standard Time on Thursday, gold and silver markets had already turned positive. While a weakening dollar provided some support, the primary driver behind these gains was the bullish market sentiment centered on expectations for today's PCE report. Investors are increasingly viewing this latest inflation data as part of a broader trend of diminishing inflation pressures in the United States. The potential implication of a favorable PCE report extend beyond the immediate market reaction. When combined with recent consumer price index data and previous PCE reports, a positive outcome could significantly strengthen the case for the Federal Reserve to implement its first rate cut as early as September. Some analysts even suggest the possibility of a second rate cut before the year's end, depending on the continued trajectory of economic indicators. The landscape has reignited interest in gold as a strategic investment. Traditionally seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, gold's appeal tends to increase when investors anticipate shifts in monetary policy, particularly towards a more accommodative stance. As such, the coming days and weeks may prove critical for both gold prices and broader market sentiment as investors closely watch for signs of the Federal Reserve's next move in its ongoing battle to take inflation to their 2% target. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. You may be interested in my new video on how a new Cold War will affect silver and gold prices. I will attach that new video link here. Be sure to check out Minuteman Precious Metals for market updates and analysis. Thanks, and have a great day.